across India.
The collapse of the dome of Meghalaya Assembly building in Mawdyangdyang in the wee hours of May 21st, providing political ammo to not only the opposition parties but also partners of the MDA coalition to target the government over the shoddy construction of the new assembly building, interstate bus terminus, etc. Joining the chorus, the state BJP President Ernest Mauri on Sunday asked the state government to immediately halt the construction of the new assembly building, scrap all projects awarded to UP Rajkiya Nirman Nigam Limited in the state and punish those involved in the shoddy construction of the assembly building. Speaking to reporters on Sunday, Mauri also sought a CBI probe into the collapse of the dome. Meanwhile, the working president of Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee PN Same has also demanded an inquiry into the incident. Talking to reporters, Same demanded that those responsible for the debacle should be punished.
I will make a report and send it to the concerned authority for inquiry. And if it is found that someone involved, direct or indirectly, they has to be punished. And even since it is a central funding project, I will press for CBI inquiry.
Anyone who involved in this very particular project should be punished. Suppose now if the assembly has been inaugurated and the member of the Legislative Assembly attending the session, we lost how many lives?
Mukayao MLA New York Sungo distributed checks